Hello, my crafty friends. I've got some fun stuff to share with you today. A company named Craspire reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to sample their products and sample them on video for you. And I said, sounded like fun. They're wax seal products, and I've never used wax seals. I don't have any wax seal products, so I was excited to get some. And so let's see what I got. That is one thing surprised me how easy this opened. I did pull it open earlier because I thought it was going to be really difficult. It wasn't that difficult, but it stayed shut. I mean, it was definitely shut when I got it. It just surprised me how easy it was to get into. Okay, there's my packing list. And it came with 3 different things. These are 3 different products. Let me move this out of the way. 3 different products that I ordered, and they have given me a coupon code for you. If you order $40 worth, they'll give you $5 off. And what I've got here is pretty much exactly $40 worth. So that'll give you an idea of kind of what you need to get if you want to use the coupon code. And the company is Craspire.com, Craspire.com. And in a minute, I'll show you their website. But first, I want to show you the stuff. In the description box below, I will also have links, as well as my coupon code. I'll have links to these 3 specific items. And they have tons of different waxes and things, so you can go in there and buy whatever you want. I'm not an affiliate. If enough people want me to, I might become an affiliate, but I'm not at the moment. I'm just sampling this and trying it out. In this particular product is the wax, and I got green, a mix of greens. And you get 2 of these little spoons to melt it, and then you get 4 little tea light candles to use to melt the wax. And of course, you can find those anywhere. So so when you run out of these, they're easy to replace. That's not a big deal. And this is what this is my treasure. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus better. There you go. There's 3 different colors in there, which I think's fun. One of the first things I'm going to try is to put, they say use 2 or 3 to make a seal. So I'm going to put 1 of each color and see how that turns out. I'm not going to do that today. This is just a unboxing video, but that's one of the things I'm going to do. I'm going to do a couple of tutorials on ways to use these, so so you can see what I do with them. The other thing I got was this seal, and it comes with a handle. And this one is come on. My light's playing games. There we go. It's really pretty. I'm not sure what those are, but it was just a pretty floral print with a sun or moon or whatever in the background, and I just thought it was pretty, so I chose it. The other thing I got is another head. So now I have 2, and you just can interchange them like this. And this one is a dragonfly. Yay! So in the description box below, I will have all 3 of these items, so you can go straight to these particular things if you want to. I'll also have just a link to the website, as well as the coupon code if you want to use it. I'm going to pause just a second, and I'm going to set my camera up so you can see the website, and I'll show you the website. Okay, now I'm going to move over to the website. This is the website, Craspire, and they have all kinds of different seals and kits And I don't have one of these, whatever these are, that you can just make the seal separately on top of. It's just something, I think it's marble. But I do have some ceramic tiles, and so I'm going to try that and see if that'll work. So they have a lot of different kits and collections, and then they have individual ones that you can buy. So they have a lot of fun stuff. And the seals by themselves, I mean the stamps, it looks like this. Come on. Are $5.99. And then if you buy them, okay, let's find tools. And these are, they're open book embosser seal stamps. That's really cool. I don't know anything about those. They just look cool. And they've got pencils, and there are the marble things. Now I'm trying to find the, I may be going to the wrong place to find the, oh, there they are, customized stamps. Okay, no, that just tells you can have them make one for you. That's really cool. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. I'm sorry. I should have come in and practiced, but I didn't. But now you know that you can find things easy. It's a very intuitive website. And so you just choose one. Let's choose this one. It says quick view, and you can click right there, and then it shows it to you. And then you can change pictures, and you can, make it zoom in. And there it shows you what it looks like and how they used it. And so there's, some kind of like a little tutorial right there of what to do with step 1, 2, 3, 4. So they give you information right there on the website of how to use it, which is nice. They also have these brass stamps that's just all one piece of brass. It's not a, not a detachable handle, which are really cool. Those are a little more expensive, like 50 cents more. But I liked this because I could buy one, and then I can change out the heads, so I can buy more heads later. And they have all different kinds. There's a sewing machine. That's really cool, I think. Anyway, you just, you all know how to do this, but I'm going to show you anyway. You just click go to cart, and then, and they do have free shipping if you buy $50 worth. We'll just continue shopping. Well, that didn't do any good, did it? Let's see if it'll, no, okay. We'll just go back here and buy wax. They've got lots of different kinds of wax. They have these kits like this. I think my next one is probably going to be, they have one that's copper. There's goldenrod. And then here's some that are 100 pieces of, just colorful kits. And they have a cool little, this one has a nice little, heater upper. What do they call that? A wood wax furnace. That's what that's called. That's pretty cool. So that's a nice kit. But I wanted more wax, so that's why I got one of the, I got this one right here. So I just got the little spoons and the wax and the little candles. So let's add that to the cart. And then let's go back to stamp heads, so you can see. And then you can add that to the cart. And that's not quite $40 worth. So You'd have to buy, you know, one more, I guess. But anyway, and then you proceed to checkout, and that's where you put the discount code in right here. And so, and the discount code is Lisa5, so that's not difficult. But you do need to spend $40 before it does anything for you. So just letting you know that up front. Okay, I'm gonna get back over here and pause. Okay, so these are my goodies, and I'm going to do a couple of tutorials of showing you different ways that I've thought up to use these things. I think one video will be about different ways to use them directly onto things, and then another video will probably be about ways to make them and then have them set aside in ways that you would use them if you're putting them on when they're already made up and stored ahead of time. So anyway, that's my plan, at least right now, for the 2 videos. If you have something else or something specifically you would like to see in those tutorials, comment below and tell me what you would like to see, and I'll be sure to incorporate it in one of those videos. Anyway, all the information you need will be in the description box below. Alrighty, thank you. Bye-bye.